Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the brand new 2021 Street Glide Special. Alright, let's start with the engine on this Street Glide Special, where you have the Milwaukee-Eight 114 that comes in the specials here. This is an incredible engine on this motorcycle, putting out incredible power and tons of torque in all 6 gears on this bike. When I've had the opportunity to ride a 114, I definitely get it out on the interstate and put that to the test. I really like to feel that beautiful Harley-Davidson torque, as I said, in every gear on this motorcycle. Of course, the final drive on this motorcycle is going to be belt. Let's go ahead and talk about a few of the new features that are on the 2021 Street Glide Special. First, let's go ahead and talk about the wheels on here, where you have the all-new aluminum cast Prodigy wheels on here. I love these wheels on this motorcycle. Love that blacked out on there, playing with the blacked out on the engine. Speaking of which, real quick, the nice thing about the new 21s is that you have the option to have the blacked out look like this motorcycle does, or to go with the full chrome look as well. So that's a very nice option on there, but those Prodigy wheels really stand out on it. Another new design on the 21s that are going to come on these specials, you have the lower set engine guard on there. I really like this drop down style on here. It just gives the bike such a low aggressive profile to it. Just the little touches that Harley went through to put on these 21s, that lower engine guard is a standout. Let's go ahead and move up and to the iconic bat wing fairing that comes on the Street Glides. And we're going to move inside there and talk about the Boom GPS 4.3 system on here. The Boom GTS is an amazing system, and I do want to clarify. I know for some of you, you've been out there hearing and researching about some of the new audio systems. Right as of now, we know that the Rockford Fosgate is only coming in the CVO Street Glide and the CVO Road Glide. But continuing on, what they have done and incorporated it into all the new 2021 models through the Boom GTS is going to be Android Auto. For those of us like myself who use an Android phone and are not iPhone users, this is a very nice upgrade on here. So I'm going to try to do a full walkthrough tutorial later on, hopefully this week, about the new integration of the Android Auto into here and show you all the features and functions of how it works. But what I do know as of now, you will plug your Android phone into the dash here. You have to download the Android Auto app. I have this in my 2019 Impala, so I do know some of the basic run-throughs. And then after downloading that app, you'll walk through a couple of the features that they have you do, and then your entire Android screen will populate onto the touchscreen here. This is not, you are going to be able to also just go ahead and use the hand controls to kind of run through and integrate that. And if you do have the wireless headset hooked up through Bluetooth through your Android phone, you will also be able to do all the talk features as well. With the Apple CarPlay on here, you do have to have the wireless headset to do all the talking features. With the Android, you do not. It is just an option. But you will be able to navigate through everything either through the touchscreen or right through the controls on here. So that is a very nice add-on to these two 2021 models. Continuing on with this 2021 Street Glide, let's move down. Once again, I hit on this, that this is going to be the blacked out version. So you have the blacked out front end with the forks there, the all blacked out engine, and of course that beautiful blacked out exhaust that runs the length of the motorcycle. The only hits of chrome on here are going to be on your rocker boxes and on your push rods, and I very much like how that plays out. Speaking of that contrast on there, the color scheme on this 2021 Street Glide is going to be the all-new Gauntlet Gray. This is a beautiful color, especially on this Street Glide. The way this gray plays off all the blacks running through here. You have the nice inlay on the gas tank with the Street Glide logo all in black, your blacked out gas cap on there, blacked out controls running through. Just an amazing color scheme on this new 2021 Street Glide Special. Of course, as always on your Street Glides, you are 2-up ready on this motorcycle. Comes with the full 2-up touring seat, passenger pegs, and then of course you have all your touring needs with those hard locking saddlebags back here. Once again, these are gonna, as always, since I think 2017, these are the one-touch bags. So if you're riding and need to get into your bag quickly, you just flip that little lip up and you are in there. And as always, on the back of here too, you do already have the hardware included for a 2-up backrest for your passenger. All right, my friends, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick but somewhat thorough walkthrough of the 2021 Street Glide Special. We are so excited that the new models are coming out. I myself am a Harley owner, a Harley enthusiast, and I am thrilled to be able to talk about these brand new models coming out in the lineup. And if you are local in Omaha, Nebraska, and would like to see all of our 2021 lineups in stock, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson today. Come talk to any of our sales staff about these incredible motorcycles. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley-Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos. And always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.